let's begin. Here I choose white acrylic sheet and then I shaped for specific need. And then I glued a plastic cover to make a case for resin to fill. I placed shaped acrylic sheet perpendicular on the baseboard, and covered with case without any contact with sheet, and secure the bottom with hot glue. This one is 2-part casting resin using ratio 3:1 and mixed for about 3-4 minutes. To remove the air bubble I tried to use heat gun. I poured resin into the diffuser sheet. Let's sit it for 3-7 days for complete cure to shape the material. This was too tight to remove from base, so I tried to use heat gun to release. You can see this was not in good shape, but we could make it better by shaping it. The top layer is faded and we have to trim all the surfaces and edged for good appealing. We can compound and polish using Perfected and sandpapers. Perfected. With 2500 grit. Sand this surface part first with 600 grit and then 2000 grit. I trimmed all the sides using jigsaw and coarse sandpaper, and followed finer sanding paper. Wiped with clean fiber cloth. Now you can see what we got the actual DRL or brake because you can accordingly. This was used in modern light technology and automobile lighting brands like BMW, Audi, Lamborghini already done with this technology. To get the perfect accurate color distribution I used vinyl tint red sheet to filter the color we want. I hope you like and got the basic idea behind this technology. Please consider like and subscribe.